Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. Today, I thought I'd do a little bit of an unboxing of sorts. You're probably wondering,
What kind of product are you gonna unbox today?
well, it's a product that I got, it's a thing that I got 3 days ago on Christmas. The Vitascope. Yeah, okay. So, have you ever heard of the Vitafoam? Well, this isn't it. This is not the Vitafoam. This is a projector. Yeah, it's a projector. As far as I know, from what I could see, I didn't do any research on this. It's made of wood. It's a projector. No batteries. It's got some information. It's got self-assemble, film projector, gears, train, no glue needed. So literally this is a projector. Now you notice what it says over here, maybe not, maybe you can't see it. I don't have like a 4K camera or anything like that, but you know those flashlights, or pretty much anything that uses a crank, any electronic device that uses a crank? Well, this uses a crank, like a film projector, I guess. Makes a clicky sound, all that stuff. This, I don't know what to expect with this. I don't know if this will work. I really don't know. It's by Roker. Anyway, I don't know. Let's see. I literally have no idea what this will do, or if this will work. I'm sure it will. Let's see. We got some plastic. I could probably rip it. I mean, I don't think I need any scissors. Whoa! Ah! I never said that I was, fudge. Okay, hold on.
Hold on, Sonny! Let me give you a pecker.
After a certain point, I kind of just think, you know what, what's the point? That should do the trick. Yeah. Oh. I mean, you could probably think like, oh man, you can keep the plastic wrap. Yeah. In some dimension, I might do that. I don't know. I don't think it's the most necessary part. Okay. This is it. This is the box. I mean, you already saw it. I don't know what the point of seeing it again would be. How do you open it? So we should open like a suitcase, not a briefcase, maybe. Oh, it is on this side. Oh wow, it's just kind of like a briefcase. I think a lot of boxes. Oh! Whoa! Okay. QR code or something like that. I think. Yeah, it's kind of cool. I thought it would smell like something. Okay.
It just smells okay.
Assembly instruction. Yeah, I don't know if I mentioned this properly. Yeah, you gotta assemble it. Like, gosh. So I've heard before that some projects can take like a really long time, and I think this is gonna be one of them. So we have this. Oh, that's thick. That's a good novel. Whoa! Whoa! Yeah. Okay. So I think this is the point. Is it includes film. So there's the film strips. Okay, okay. Wow, this is gonna be insane. Here's the thing, like, yeah. Okay, so I think, yeah, this is the main. This is what makes it work right here. This is the thing. All right. And then, yep, just containers. This is just a holding place for everything. Okay. Close. There, okay. So, there's the box. I don't think we really need it too much. Oh yeah, on the back, little diagram. Or not really a diagram, it just kind of shows you the main features. Like a Maltese cross. Okay, so yeah, it says a bunch of stuff. All right. Okay. Ooh, no, that wasn't good. Okay. Okay, so I think I'm gonna open this up. Ooh. Oh, sandpaper. This is sandpaper. I think. Wowie. Okay, so I think what I'm gonna do is, I don't think this is for kids. I think this is actually for a fully functioning adult.
Which I think I'm getting close to that.
Okay, these are the pieces. This is like a, wow. It looks about the same as like it looks in real life, like on camera. I think it looks about the same. If you look at the box, that's, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do that, man. I'm certainly gonna try. Oh, okay, I think I should keep these like in order. I don't think I should. Okay, so I think what I'm gonna try and do is I'll film for a little bit and I'll time lapse it, and then we'll see how far I get. Ow! Oh, okay. Let's go. Make sure the gears are approximately engaged with each other. Make sure the parts polish the parts with sandpaper. Rotate the product based on the direction of arrow. Wax or lubricant needed. Oh, I have lubricant. All right, I guess I could do that. So we have A10. Okay, A10. Oh boy. Oh boy, these things are falling apart now. We need, there's A10. That's A1. Oh, this is A10. If I break this, I don't know what I'll do. I'll be pretty sad. So apparently, this is of the work of a retired film projectionist named River, which, that's pretty cool. Apparently the level of this, so this is some information about it. 180 free pieces, level 4.5 assemble size. 223 millimeters by 133 millimeters by 255 millimeters. Anyway, okay, this looks like Crane, or a factory from the Lorax movie. How bad can I be? I'm just improving the economy. Okay, we have P1 and P2. I think that's the motor, or of sorts. It looks like it. That's it, yeah. Oh, well those aren't actually things. I don't know. Hold on. A little bit of a thing. Oh, wow. Exquisite. And then we need some screws. Alright, P1 and P2. Oh, right. There was a thing for that. I might need to organize this a little bit. There's the screws. Let's hope I don't lose them. I see them. Oh, I see one. I just need to get it. There. Okay, first screw or whatever. I'm genuinely really interested in this, but I have no idea how this is gonna work, or how I'm going to make this work. Yes. There we go. There we go. A little bit of consistency. So I think we actually have a tool for this, which would make a lot of sense. Probably wouldn't want to just use my fingers. Yeah, there we go. There's a tool. We have a stick, and then we have this really interesting looking sort of screwdriver. Oh boy. Okay. That felt pretty good. I should preface any more future building of this by saying I don't know what I'm doing. I'm gonna be honest, I haven't really built a whole lot of things. So when I do something, I'm gonna feel pretty good about it, even if it's not very good. Hold on. Oh, this is called P1, and these are called P2.
Interesting.
This is going to take me more than a day. I may not even be able to finish this in a week, but we have this. Hey! I really was not sure how long this would take. I really wasn't sure. But now, well, I think I am having a little bit more of a perspective of how long it may take. Okay, pretty well in there. It means nothing. Oh, this is the crane. Whoa! I mean, it's 2 gears. What am I supposed to? Anyway, but that's done. Oh, this is a projector. I don't want to touch that too much. The next thing, we have D1 and A. There's D2. Oh, D1 is small, and there's 2 of them. These are D1. As you can see, D1.
Oh, those are so small.
I mean, half of these are probably gonna come out without me even wanting. Oh! It holds it in place. Hear that Gran Turismo music? Okay, alright. We got that. Epic. A. There's the one just called A. We need page free. We had to put F6 around or D2 or something. Oh, those are really small. Each little tiny part. Okay, what is happening in this picture? Okay, there's D2. Okay, alright, okay, F6, F6, F6. Oh, these are like little wood screw things. Yep. The instructions, you know, as much as I kind of rag on them being like, whoa, what's this? Considering how complex this is, it's pretty descriptive. It's pretty good. That's one good thing. You really think about how can they make it so easy to understand, even though it's like at a complex level. Anyway, just wanted to say that. So we just stick it through there, I guess. So now, look at that, guys. I made a wheel. Okay, so this is gonna take me a few years. And I almost don't exaggerate on that. I'm almost not exaggerating. This looks insanely fun, and I'm going to do it. But there is not a chance that I am getting anywhere. I mean, I've spent about 20 minutes, and this is what I have. So, again, like, this is going to take a long time, and this is amazing. Definitely, like, don't try and be like, hey guys, guess what? We're gonna be making this on a live stream. It's gonna take a very long time. You better be up for the challenge. I might be. Whoa! I didn't, whoa! Oh my god. That's what it is. Okay, alright, okay. Wow, This, you know, will still last a long time. And it's incredible. And I can't wait to keep working on it. Anyway, thank you for watching this. If you did, if you didn't, that's okay, I guess. I mean, it's a little different from what I've been doing, but I wanted to kind of go back to something. I don't know what, but to this. You'll notice this is a little bit in the style of dank pods. I don't know. I just thought I'd do something like that. Anyway, thank you all for watching, and see you later. I'm gonna drink some water now. Oh yeah. And that's a wrap.